Welcome to Clearly Arc. This is the part of the show where we randomize the cards instead of the teams. How do we know which cards come out? We open them before we randomize. That's pretty simple. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. Alrighty, we're opening up Archives number 1. To 54, Dave Stewart. That photo is phenomenal. Dave Stewart, 31 of 54. That is the best card I have ever seen. Oh, that's brilliant. Hey, Dave, bust a pose for us. Sure thing. Oh, brilliant. Oh, I love this game. Next up. Next Archives. Numbered to just 63, Steve Garvey. Steve Garvey to 53. So that's a 6, 63. I may have said 63 the first time, I don't know. Alright, here come our Clearly Authentics. Let's see if we can up the ante a little bit. Numbered to just 50, 0-1 of 50, Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs. Really cool card there. I love the clear. Makes sense why it's called Clearly. Kyle Hendricks to 50 for the Cubs. Oh. For the Phillies to 99, Ryan Howard. Nice little card there. 30.99, Ryan Howard. And then finally, oh, what? Whoa, hold up. We have a spanner in the works. There's 2 cards in here. So we'll have a look at the non-redemption first. Up first is Anderson Tejeda, rookie. Oh, boy. I don't know why I didn't show that for very long, but that's an Anderson Tejeda, rookie. Now here comes a redemption. Jeez. Redemption card. Congratulations, you're due to receive a Clearly Authentic autograph of Andrew Vaughn from the Chicago White Sox. I don't think it is. Andrew Vaughn. So let's put that in. The way this is going to work is pretty simple. We randomize the list 5 times. One card will obviously fall out. That is a card that will randomize the list one more time, and whoever's on top gets that card. Here we go, 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, wow, 6 cards. 3, 4, and 5. Dave Stewart on top, Kyle Hendricks on bottom. Oh, well, in spot 5. Spot 6 is the Anderson Tejeda. So what we do now is we get rid of the randomizer. Drop that in exactly where you picked up your spots. And now we randomize the list one more time. Whoever's on top at the end will get the final card. One time, here we go. We need to start a new list because Anderson Tejeda cannot win himself. So here's the list. List randomizer. One time, here we go. Good luck to all. The winner is Ryan Howard. So whoever's got the Ryan Howard also gets the Tejada. And that is that. Let's do our reveal right now. So, Simon picks up Stuart and Garvey. He picked up the old school stuff. Nice. Okay, no, that's not possible. Joshua Danina picks up the Redemption. Jimmy P picks up Howard and Tejada. And then, finally, I'm out of white cards. Finally, the Kyle Hendricks goes to Philip Tamiano. And that is that for Clearly Archival 141.